Lord made a place that when we talk about integration, when we talk about interfaith harmony, when we talk about women rights, when we talk about women education, when we talk about human rights, so people say that yes, this is moderate Islam. We say no, this is not moderate Islam, this is the real Islam. The first voice of women rights, my Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised. When people used to bury their live daughters, that time Rasulullah alayhi salatu wasalam said, this is haram. Daughter is not a zahmat, daughter is the mercy of Allah. When if someone asks that does Islam give allows women to take education, does Islam give a woman the right to be educated? So Rasulullah alayhi salatu wasalam did not only allow it. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam give the example of women education from their own house. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said that biggest alima of this ummah is the wife of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, Hazrat Sayyida Aisha Siddiqa salamullahi alayha. Huzur alayhi salatu wasalam said that half deen, the wife of Rasulullah alayhi salatu wasalam, Ummul Mu'minin Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa salamullahi alayha will give to ummah, and Sahaba says that yes, half of the deen we got it from our mother Sayyida Aisha Siddiqa salamullahi alayha. So Islam gives a right to a woman to be educated. Rasulullah alayhi salatu wasalam said that best among you is who is best with his family. Rasulullah alayhi salatu wasalam give right to every human being, especially in their state, Muslim country, Riyasat Medina, the real, proper Riyasat Medina. Rasulullah alayhi salatu wasalam said, the right Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam give to Muslim, same citizen right Rasulullah alayhi salatu wasalam to give to the non-Muslim. The message of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is for peace for every human being. So some people who are going to extremism, who are going to terrorism, they are trying to defame Islam by their character. It's your responsibility. You live in this country, in United Kingdom, or wherever you are listening, wherever you live. This is your responsibility. When these terrorists and extremists, they are trying to defame Islam, it's your responsibility. Even from your tongue and even from your character, you should prove that the extremists are on wrong path, terrorists are on wrong path. They have nothing to do with Islam. The teachings of Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam provides mercy and peace to every human being in dunya.